What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a handle coil grip, and this is a 4-inch handle coil grip. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I think it's 4 or 4.5 inch. And what I'm gonna do is, so last year I just been using a piece of foam to grab this out. I haven't been really updating my ugly drum, but this year we are going to do some updates, so this is a pretty cool thing to have. This piece here I got from Lowe's a long time ago. I didn't feel like getting another one, so I'd rather get the handle part. So what I'm gonna do is take this handle off and I'm gonna put this in. But right here I'm just showing y'all, so when y'all buy it, this is what it looks like, and this is how it comes out the packet, just like that. Made in China. Don't know if that bothers anybody or not. I don't think anybody should care, because most of your stuff is made in China anyway. All right, you guys, so real quick, I got this spring from Amazon and I got it to fit the size that I got here. I think this is 4.5 inches, but I will post it. You know, I will screenshot it and post it. So this is basically a spring. All you got to do is just put this part in, and the spring goes right there on there. And this is a perfect fit for me. So just showing y'all this, just in case y'all was looking into getting it. If you got any other questions, leave it in the comment section. Other than that, like, comment, and please subscribe.